don't even know if that's what it's called. I don't think it is. I think it's something wrong. It's okay. These are some spicy noodles. I already have the sauce for this in a bottle because I like spicy food. But I also have the pot version. So, I don't know even how to make this. Why are there no instructions? So I'm going to assume you add water until the line. And then I'll take out all the packet and everything. It doesn't even say how long. This is actually a problem. So now I'm going to add hot water up to the line. Why are you saying that? It's very hot. Also a new kettle. Now I'm going to put this on top for 4 minutes. What's the time? No. I love it is that I like this sauce because it's like a little bit sweeter. This one is just spicy. Also, we had a really spicy chickpea thing. So I don't know whether I want to have completely spicy because the other thing I ate for lunch was also spicy. But also I love spicy food and that's the whole point of this. And also I don't even remember what this tastes like because last time I got this, I'd added the spicy sauce anyway to this one, which is really dumb because like I paid for this one but I used this sauce. And that's what happens when you make bad decisions. So now I have to just, I'm not going to make this one. Because one day when I deserve it, I'll have this. Okay. And that day is not today. Okay, now it's been actually 6 minutes because Amma took too long. Now I'm going to poke holes. I'm meant to use chopstick. Should I just use the old chopstick?
You already opened it.
That's not it. To drain out the water.
Drain paniko.
No. Do it properly.
Hot water.
See?
Oh, all idea.
Use the old chopstick because... So now I've drained out the water using the holes that I made before. And now I have these. I was going to say beautiful, but they're just looking normal. I just left a bit of water, partially because it tastes better, partially because it was really hot, so I didn't want to do too much. And then you just scramble that. Now this sauce is actually crazy. Like it's probably gonna make people get sick, but I'm gonna eat it anyway because I don't have any awareness.
Spicy
because I'm Tamil.
Tamil.
Are you recording that as well? That's so rude. Because I'm Tamil. So maybe I'm not. Anyway, now I open this. Oh my sugar. There we go. Just gonna add a little bit for now. Just the smallest amount. I'll add more later after tasting because it's been a while since I ate pot noodles because I'm healthy. Oh, it smells like spiciness. Whoever invented spice is the best person. I don't know what I would... Oh, it smells so spicy. Doesn't it smell spicy? Well, usually I add loads more. The one in the other packet is less spicy, so you can add more. But, so that's it. I'll usually add more than this flavor, but I want to taste it and I don't want to eat it because it's still hot. So that's how you make it. You can add as much as you want to. I don't recommend adding the whole packet like I did the first time because it made it so hot. I had to drink milk and I had to have yogurt while I was eating this. It was the middle of the night as well and it was a life of suffering. So make sure you add a little bit first and then add more as you go. I love spicy noodles. The best.
Yeah.
And you can just eat it like noodles. You can use chopsticks. We don't have any chopsticks.
Okay, bye.